Every empire believes it will last forever. History is filled with giants that looked impossible to defeat until one day they weren't. For more than a decade, Tesla wasn't just leading the electric car industry, it was defining it. Every new vehicle changed expectations. Every breakthrough pushed the competition further behind, and every bold prediction from Elon Musk made the future feel closer than ever to millions of people. Tesla wasn't simply a car company, it became a symbol of innovation, of ambition, of the electric revolution. But while the world watched every move Elon Musk made, a different story was quietly unfolding thousands of miles away. Inside China, a company that most people had never heard of was growing faster than almost anyone realized. It wasn't chasing headlines, it wasn't trying to become the next Tesla, it had a different plan. The secret was never just selling more cars. It started years earlier. While most automakers focused on building better electric vehicles, BYD focused on building a better business. Instead of relying on outside suppliers, it invested in producing many of its own key components. That gave BYD something most competitors couldn't match: control. And that changed everything. But control was only the beginning. The real advantage was speed. While many automakers waited months for critical parts, BYD was already building the next car. Its factories worked like giant machines. Every step connected, every process optimized, every second counted. And that's exactly how BYD started pulling away. But there was one more advantage, and it may have been the biggest one of all: cost. While many electric cars remained too expensive for the average buyer, BYD focused on one simple idea: make electric cars affordable, not for thousands, but for millions. That decision changed everything, because the company was no longer competing for the premium market. It was competing for the entire world. Tesla changed the world. BYD changed the rules. The race is only beginning. The next generation of electric vehicles will be faster, smarter, and more affordable. But one question still remains: who will dominate the next decade, Tesla or BYD? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for the next documentary.